Hey, fourth graders, happy weekend. It is Sunday. I hope you are outside enjoying this beautiful weather. I'm going to talk quickly about what Monday, April 6th will look like for you and kind of talk about how we've made some changes with the Google Classroom. So I'm going to jump there first. I clicked on our Google Classroom here. You'll see our stream. I did go ahead and delete some of the things from the previous weeks. I'm going to try and keep this cleaned up and delete things on Sundays. Tomorrow you will see the daily question posted, and I'm going to post the daily schedule tonight. So I'm going to post those at 7 o'clock the night before, as well as all of the classwork, I'm going to post 7 o'clock the night before, just to hopefully keep you organized and allow you to set up a schedule for yourself if you need to do that. So what I've done now is I've clicked on Classroom, and I'm going to move over here. You can see the topics have changed. We've decided to do the topics as the days of the week rather than the subjects to hopefully make it a little bit easier for you. So today's Sunday, but tomorrow will be Monday, April 6th. And you can see when you click here, things are going to be pushed out tonight at 7. But this is what will be there. The daily reading log, where after you read, you're going to fill out that form each day. The introduction to decimals, you're going to watch the video, and there's actually several videos embedded into a slideshow, and then complete the problem set. And the problem set now will be a Google form. So hopefully that will help you. Now that we are kind of teaching some new concepts, we're not doing review anymore. This is how things are going to run. Monday's lesson on decimals might take you a little bit longer. Mrs. Steinmetz created it, and we really wanted to make sure you understand how things are going to work now. So that's why it might take you a little bit longer today, but in the future it should be, pretty quick. Then another thing that's going to show up tonight at 7 is the weekly math. Now with that's not due until next Sunday. So you can kind of decide when you want to work on that. And then as we're talking about that, the same thing with the weekly ELA sheet will also come out tonight, and it's not due until next Sunday. So you can kind of decide when you want to work on that. So again, all topics here, you'll see as you scroll through, there's each day of the week. We do not have school this Friday, but then I do have a Mrs. Shell's extras folder, and that's kind of where I'll just store some of the things that were up top before. So like our class codes, the Book Madness bracket, any other extra math activities or literacy activities. If you're bored, you can always come here and look for optional things to be working on, as well as kind of those recess activities. You could look here as well. So that is what we have for our Google Classroom and some of the changes that have been made. I'm going to jump back to today's to-dos. So you'll notice that office hours on Monday are going to be from 1:30 to 3, and we're going to do a 2 o'clock hangout, Google Hangout. So if you're available, I would love to see you. The class chat is still going, so if you want to jump on there and chat with anybody. And then Book Madness, these are 2 repeat books, and vote here for which one you want to win. All right, sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. So looking at today's to-dos, you will see kind of everything that I went through in the classwork section here for Monday. It's also going to be laid out here for you, so you know exactly what you need to get done. Oh, I apologize. I'm doing too much clicking. There we go. So everything that is laid out for you on the Monday section. But please also remember to do your morning check-in just so I can see how you're doing. And then you may want to look at the specials as well. I did put on here optional work on your weekly math, because if you feel like you just have done too much math today, you do not have to work on the weekly math. Just remember it's due Sunday. And then also there's always an option if you want to go on Freckle or SumDog, or any of the other math activities online. You can be doing that too, which is extra practice. All right, I think that's everything from me. If you have questions, please email me, and I hope to see you tomorrow, Monday, at 2 o'clock for a hangout. All right.